Well, today is day one when LiveGood finally said, ready, set, go. Let's release our survey, our questionnaire. Okay? Let's give people a chance to just answer some questions real quick, in a couple minutes about their health, how they want their body to look, to feel. Do they have high blood pressure, diabetes? Do they vape? Do they live by the freeway? Okay, there's all these things to think about. And I've already taken the survey. That's why I'm blown away. I'm really excited about what I'm going to show you. But I never thought about that. If you live by the freeway, there's automobile fumes and other stuff that might kind of affect your bod than living like out in the country, with fresh air and fresh trees and stuff like that. Obviously, if you smoke, you drink, you vape, you don't sleep as much. So many things affect your health. It's mind-blowing, isn't it? And after I took the survey, I'm embarrassed. The funny thing is I weigh about 215 to 220, and it wants me to weigh 185. That ain't happening. I lose 35 pounds, and I'm going to look like a beanpole. I'm going to look like Michael Jackson with that weird vegetarian body. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to look like a toothpick. Okay. So let me shrink up here, guys. Okay, this is my Facebook page, and I'm going to show you how I post to hopefully get people interested in LiveGood to buy the products. Hopefully they want to be a member, then they can buy all our products for wholesale. And then, like me, after I was kind of digging the products, I thought, well, why not be an affiliate? It's only $40. I bet I can make videos and post on social media, maybe email some people about the opportunity. This is clear back a year and a half ago. Okay. LiveGood said, ready, set, go, December 13th of 2022. So their 2-year birthday is coming up in a month or so. Because today, let's see, it's October 30th of 2024. So happy birthday 2 times, coming up in a month. Okay, now, what have I learned? I learned one thing. If you just keep things really simple and invite people to a link and let the short videos do all the training and recruiting, guys, I think you have a good chance of being successful. And by that, I mean people looking at your stuff, people clicking, people watching, people joining, and guess what? You can earn money. Isn't that cool? I know it is, and I know you think so. Okay, disclaimer, by the way. I put my fingers up like quotes. I can't guarantee you're going to make money, but you know what? I post and make it fun, and I sure in the heck am. And it's a good feeling, guys. This is my Facebook page. It's live, as you can see. It's not a screenshot. And how I like to post, I put LiveGood 2025 because I'm already shooting for next year. It's only a month or so away. Joincory.com. Now watch when you click it. It goes directly to my LiveGood capture page. See the middle there? It says Cory's website. People can go and watch this 6-minute video, actually. And it's of our CEO, Ben Glinsky, talking about the opportunity, affiliate, being a member, being a customer, what he's done, where we're going. In 6 minutes, guys, everybody can tell, are they in or out? Okay, and if they're out, they're just on their way. They don't call you up and say, no, I'm not interested. They just delete the email, or they watch your post, watch this email on their cell phone probably most of the time, or home computer, might be a laptop. And isn't it nice that they don't have to call you? You don't have to sit there in the living room. You're not on the phone begging them. Oh, join, I'm desperate, I'm broke. Don't do that. Just invite people to a link and that's it, okay? So this is the LiveGood capture page. You get this already built for you. It's signed up 1.7 million people. It's signed up almost 400 people just for me. So don't mess with it. Just invite people to this page and rock and roll. So let's just go back to my Facebook. This is my post. Unlock your personalized health assessment. It's free. Fill out the questionnaire. Okay? Survey, questionnaire. I know that by definition it has a little bit of a different meaning, but you know what? Just go ahead and hit freehealthsurvey.com. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Time to change your life. Discover exactly what your body needs with a quick and easy health assessment. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Okay? And maybe we can work on your heart. All right, your diabetes, your high blood pressure, your body, let's make you sexy. Mental health. All right, that's a good album by good old Quiet Riot. And why not have some energy too, okay? So if you want to watch my video, you can just click anywhere in the picture or this little link. But I own freehealthsurvey.com. So when you click it, this is the brand new questionnaire health assessment. You can listen to Ryan here talk for about 1 minute and 23 seconds. Go ahead and read, this stuff right here. But get my free health report. And look at how easy it is. Take 4 or 5 minutes and answer every question honestly. And then after, you're going to get an awesome email. And it's going to break down what your body probably needs and what we can probably sell you if you'd like. You don't have to buy a darn thing, but if you'd like to, isn't it nice that you can buy at wholesale prices? $9.95 a month. That's it, guys. Okay. What is your immediate health goal? I wouldn't mind getting a little more muscle, so I click it. Am I a male or a female? I was born with a tallywhacker. I'm going to be a male. What's your age? Well, I'm high 50s. What's your height? Well, I am 6 foot and 2 inches. All right. How much do you weigh? I weigh about 217. 217. See how easy it is? It's kind of fun. How active are you? Do they have zilch? I'm kind of active, but just answer all these questions, guys. It's so dang easy. Okay. freehealthsurvey.com. Check it out. Okay. And if you like what you see, I hope you buy our products. And if you want to be an affiliate for $40, one-time fee for life, join my group, man. Let's have some fun. Let's earn you some dough. Let's get some moolah in your cha-chas. Or wait, cha-chas? Okay. In your drawers. I don't know. How about in your pockets? We'll put some change in your pockets. That sounds pretty good, okay? All right. I'm done. There's nothing left for me to do. freehealthsurvey.com. That's it. Go to the link, take the survey. And if you want to join Live Good, I sure hope you do, okay? My work is done. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you guys, you have some homework to do. freehealthsurvey.com. Goodbye.